Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this very beautiful crochet braids. But before getting into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm super excited about this tutorial because if you know me, you know I absolutely love crochet braids, and I love the short ones especially. And if you know, if I want to do the crochet braids, I always buy the Kinky twist and then I twist it myself, then I install it. But with this particular crochet braids, you don't have to do that. It comes pre-twisted. So this crochet braid is from a company on Amazon. I'm going to put the links and the specs in the description box below. Altogether came 7 packs, and I ended up using all 7 packs to achieve this style. And you guys know the great thing about crochet braid, this particular crochet braid style now, is that I can keep it up to a month if I want. And you can style it so many different ways. It's so versatile. You can style it so light. Like, it's so light. Like, I absolutely love this crochet braid. And if you're the type that don't have time to pre-twist your crochet braid, this is absolutely the crochet braids for you. Like I said, 7 packs will be enough. And after 1 month of installing it, if you can take it out and then keep it very well. Anytime you want to use it, you can reuse it. Or if it's dirty, you can wash it. Like, seriously, you have absolutely nothing to lose getting this type of crochet braids. So now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, You want murder me. So in each pack of the crochet braids, we have 12 strands of braids. So now I'm gonna quickly do my braiding pattern. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want, I want you to be my. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, You want murder me, You want murder me. You want murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, So now I'm done with the braiding pattern. Mercy, she a murder me. She did murder. I'm gonna start crocheting the braids to my hair. His body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me,
You a murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be my so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, I be.
So I'm just gonna keep doing the crochet braids.
Come on video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come on video this. You a murder me, You a murder me, You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already.
So now I'm done crocheting the braids. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my edge control.
She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me. You a murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me.
And then I will be laying my edges with it. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and leave it to dry. So now it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want.